Hello, good evening, So, medyo magkwan tayo, short video. Yan. Sa ngayon kasi, meron tayong tinatawag na bullish order flow, no? Yung flow ng order is bullish. Pero nagkaroon ng fair value gap, o the daily fair value gap, ayun, between this candlestick and this candlestick. Ayan. So, yun. So, ayun yung fair value gap, From this candlestick, at saka yung pangatlo, may gap. At kung papansin niyo, meron ng buyer's rejection. So, from a daily time frame, we go down 1 hour. So, ayun na siya. Ayun. So, nagki-create na ng dalawang bullish candlestick. So, meron ng, kung magkakaroon ito ng confirmation of bullish order flow on the lower time frame of 1 hour, so, and kung mapapansin nyo, nasa daily fair value gap pa rin tayo. Kaya lang on a lower time frame of 1 hour. Para mas maging malinaw, we go down a lower time frame of 15 minutes. Pero dito, makikita nyo na yan. Ayan, meron na ritong liquidity sweep. Kasi hindi na na-break yung structure nito. Tapos nagkaroon ng choke. Tapos dito, nagkaroon ng break na structure. What we are waiting now is yung tinatawag na pullback on the lower time frame. Pag pinapanood nyo yung video, makukuha nyo itong sinasabi ko. We go down 15 minutes, ayan na siya. So, sa 15 minutes, ayan yung external range liquidity and another external range liquidity. So, there's a sweep, liquidity sweep. And then there's choke. Ayan, choke. And then nagkaroon na ng break na structure. Ito, choke. Tama, choke. And then there's a yan. So, antay lang tayo na magkaroon ng another pullback. So, kasi ito na, nagkaroon na ng choke. Then the break of structure. So, ito kasi yung pinaka-structure niya on a lower time frame. Ayan. So, nagkaroon ng liquidity sweep dito. So, dapat dito, bumaba na to. Hindi, dimiretso sa choke. So, possible magkaroon ng change ng structures from a lower time frame downtrend to a lower time frame uptrend. Kaya lang, dito kasi, if this is now a bullish order flow on a lower time frame, ito. So, ito yung, ayan, ito siya, ito. So, we wait for another retracement, no? Below this. Ayan. Pagka nagkaroon ng ganun, o lumabas uli dito, pwede na. Pwede na tayong pumasok. Kasi this is a lower time frame, 15 minutes. It's a confirmation of a lower time frame na nag-a-align na siya sa higher time frame. Ano ba yung higher time frame natin? Di ba ito? The higher time frame is bullish. So, we have to go down lower time frame 15 minutes to confirm that there is a change of structures aligned with the higher time frame of daily. Okay. And 4 hours. 1 hour. And 1 hour is, ayan na, bullish na siya. No? So, anytime, pagka ito, dumiretso pa rito above this, pwede na makipagsapalaran. But always put your stop loss. Okay? So for you to understand kung paano to ginagawa, just try to watch the video na pinadala ko yung huling-huling video.